I know you're sleepy, Michael, but you have a Cheerio right in your hair. How did that get in there? How did it get in there? What happened? I can't get it on the camera. Oh, it fell out. Are you eating your Cheerios? Are they good? Mmm. Mmm. You playing tough? Vroom. What? It's the water. Put it in the truck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.